In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tags in Zoho CRM. Let's dive right in and simplify your CRM experience by managing and deleting those unnecessary tags that might be cluttering up your system. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable while performing these actions on your own. First, head over to the desired module within Zoho CRM. This could be your leads, contacts, or any other module where you're managing tags. It's important to start at the right place because the tags you delete will only affect that specific module. Once you've opened the module, look for the More Actions dropdown. It's represented by an ellipsis symbol, which looks like 3 dots in a vertical line. Click on this dropdown to reveal additional options. Among these options, you should see an item labeled Manage Tags. Select it to move forward. This takes you to a list where you can see all the tags that are currently being used within your selected module. Now, here comes the main part of our task: deleting a tag. Look for the trash icon next to the tag you wish to remove. It's typically represented by a small garbage bin symbol. When you click this icon, the tag will be deleted from that particular module. This action helps to keep your data organized and reduces any unwanted clutter. In some cases, you might decide that a tag should be renamed instead of deleted. If this happens, rather than selecting the trash icon, use the edit icon next to the tag. Clicking on this allows you to change the tag's name. Keep in mind, however, that if you choose a new name that matches an existing tag, Zoho CRM will prompt you with an option to merge the two tags. This is a useful feature for consolidating tags and maintaining a streamlined database. Remember, any changes you make, whether it's deleting or renaming tags, are saved immediately and affect only the current module. So, if you need to make similar adjustments in other modules, you'll have to go through these steps again for each one. This ensures you're only modifying the areas of your CRM that you intend to change, allowing for better control over your data management. And there you have it. By following these simple instructions, you can effectively manage your tags within Zoho CRM, ensuring your data remains tidy and efficient. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you now feel empowered to tackle your own tag management tasks within Zoho CRM. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful CRM